Hi, my name is Amy Nelson. I'm an engineer at AVL Fuel Cell Canada. This is my Hyundai Nexo. Let me tell you about my fuel cell car. I joined the industry a long time ago. I had fallen in love with the idea of fuel cells, and at that time, maybe with a little bit of naivete, I thought I would be driving a fuel cell car in 4 or 5 years. But finally, a couple of years ago, with the introduction of fueling stations in Vancouver and Toyota and Hyundai's efforts to commercialize vehicles, it became possible to buy a fuel cell car. And I jumped right on that because it had been a career-long dream. The first thing that I like about my car is that it's a fuel cell car. I love the design of it. I think it's a really nice looking car. And the thing that I like the most about it is that it's zero emissions. So the only thing coming out of the tailpipe is water. I can haul a bunch of kids around, I can haul hockey gear around, we take it camping, it's very comfortable to drive. And I love driving something that I've worked so long to advance and commercialize.